Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a famous restaurant, offering a flavorful menu that features spicy, grilled chicken dishes, alongside a variety of sides and salads. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Nando's, Nando's, Nan, Dotes, Nando's. Nando's has a vibrant history and is renowned for its unique peri-peri spice blend, which has made its grilled chicken a favorite among fans. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Nando's, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.